Hi, long time no see.
In this video, I will show you how to create a bootable Windows 11 USB stick. The first step is to download the latest ISO directly from Microsoft. Do not use the media creation tool. Do not waste your time.
Download the ISO file directly.
Choose the language of your choice. Next, go to this website and download Rufus. Rufus is a fantastic free software for creating all kinds of bootable USB drives. As always, download the portable version. Once you have finished downloading the Windows 11 ISO and Rufus, run the application. No need to check for updates, we have the latest version. This is the main window of Rufus. The application is self-explanatory. I will only show you the things you actually need to set up. Insert a USB stick with a size of 16 GB or bigger. Rufus will automatically recognize it. Select the Windows 11 ISO. Keep standard Windows installation setting. The partition scheme is an important setting. In most cases, GPT is the correct setting. Only if your computer is very old, select NBR. If in doubt, look it up on the internet. Change volume label to something meaningful. I use the file name of the ISO. Hit the Start button. The following settings are very useful, so let's go through each one individually. With the first setting, you can install Windows 11 even if the system requirements are not met. With the next setting, the need for an online Microsoft account is no longer necessary.
Activate the next checkbox if you want to automatically create a local account during installation.
This setting inherits the regional options from the current installation.
As I value my privacy, I will of course tick the next checkbox. And last but not least, I think there are better, more secure encryption methods, so of course I will disable BitLocker.
So check all the checkboxes discussed and press OK to begin. Make sure that you have selected the correct USB stick, as all data will be deleted and overwritten.
Now you need a little patience. Depending on your computer, it can take quite a long time.
Even if the progress bar does not continue immediately, just wait. It will eventually come to better.
Close the program after completion.
If everything went smoothly, you will have a bootable Windows 11 USB stick. The last step would be to change the boot order in the BIOS or UEFI. Then boot from the USB to install Windows 11 on your hard disk.